開咁呢個咧就係2022年 June 嘅卷嚟嘅，咁又係由 Section A 開始睇啦。咁咧第一條咧個題目佢就話，誒、就有個 royalty fee 係 Q1 要俾嘅，咁就俾佢一個 non-resident 嘅公司就叫 K Limited。咁我哋就要講佢關於呢個 tax 嘅 withholding 啦，同埋其他嘅一啲 reporting 嘅 obligations 嘅，跟住仲有要講。佢 under 呢個 DTA 咧，就可以將呢、個tax，即係呢個 withholding tax 就減到去3%。reduce 係啦3%，咁就根據呢一個唔知乜嘢嘢咧，咁就要 describe 下佢如果想 enjoy 呢一個減到去3% 嘅 rate 咧，咁阿 Q1 應該有啲乜嘢 procedures 要去做，然之後去 determine 呢一間公司有冇得去 enjoy，跟住仲有就係講明有啲咩 information 同埋 documents 咧，QA 係要俾 K Limited 去幫佢哋做一個 tax filing，同埋同埋去攞到一個 tax relief 嘅，咁就有啲咩 procedures 同埋 documents 咧，即係咁 question two 咧就係講話，如果呢個乜嘢 business sale initiative 係 executed 嘅話咧，即係呢個要再喺 case 度睇啦，咁即係要講翻呢個 business disposal gain。係即係 Q1 賺咗嘅 business disposal gain 係要點樣 be taxed 咁樣啦，然之後再 analyse 咧，究竟 Q2 係咪 carrying on a business in Hong Kong 嘅，跟住再講下佢啲 profits，即係如果係嘅話咧，或者唔係嘅話咧，咁究竟係咪 subject to 呢個香港嘅 profits tax 啊？然後第三題呢個就 transfer pricing 唔講啦，因為唔係 hot topic。跟住呢個就再叫你計呢個 profit tax liability 嘅，然後就咁樣計咯。成個 structure 就其實就係我上次 show 俾你個題啦，就係個題話要計呢個 profit and loss 啊，跟住又要計 after tax profits 啊。呢個先至係呢個中間先至係嗰啲乜鬼嗰啲 notes 入面有嘅 profit tax computation。但呢個有少少唔同，佢呢個係一個 income statement 嘅樣嚟嘅，但係你正常計 profit tax 唔會係一個 income statement 嘅樣嚟噶嘛？正常你係計咗 assessable profit，跟住有啲咩 deduction 啊咁樣，係咯，所以佢呢個樣有少少唔同，但係佢啲數都比較簡單嘅，所以個 logic 就係呢一度就係嗰個 taxation 嘅 computation 咯。然後咧。佢之後就話，就係我上次諗唔明個題，就係講緊呢個 net benefit 會點樣 change 咯。如果佢個 service fee increase 咗嘅話，咁呢個就係嗰個 RP 嗰筆數，所以呢個都係 transfer pricing 咁樣啦。然後 question four 就係講啲 ethics 嘅嘢啦，就係話有咩 client acceptance 嘅 procedures 啊，跟住 highlight issues 啊，跟住 highlight 3個 ethical issues，咁呢個兩樣嘢嚟嘅。呢個係講緊 anti-money laundering，跟住呢個就係啲 code of ethics 嘅嘢咯。咁咧就睇個 case，咁呢兩條友咧就係呢個 Q1 嘅呢個公司嘅 shareholders、founders、directors，咁佢哋都係香港人嚟嘅。咁咧呢間公司就係做啲 product 嘅 testing service 啦。咁佢最主要個 operations 咧就係有啲 core 嘅 technical service，跟住咧另外有一啲 office 嘅 admin service 咁樣啦。然後呢個就係佢嘅 income statement 啦。咁咧呢個 revenue 即係佢下面就話係佢啲 product testing service，咁即係呢一個就係佢最主要嘅業務啦。然後咧呢一個 royalty fee 就係應該係第一條嗰個啦，就係佢俾 K Limited 嘅嗰個 royalty fee 啦。咁呢一間 K Limited 咧就係、 有個 licensing contract 嘅同佢哋，咁呢個公司咧就係喺 Country X 㗎啦，咁就有 DTA 嘅同香港，咁所以咧嗰個 K Limited 咧，即係個 recipient 咧，就係 responsible for 俾呢個 tax 嘅，即係嗰個 withholding tax 係喺香港嘅就係。跟住咧就話呢一間 Q1 咧就有一個 regular 嘅 management meeting 就喺香港嗰度搞嘅，咁佢哋咧就有以下嘅呢一啲 business restructuring 嘅 initiatives 啊。咁首先咧有兩個啦，第一個就係佢要賣走咗佢個 engineering department，第二個就係佢要 relocate 佢個 administrative department。咁首先賣走咗，佢就話要將佢個最咁主要嘅一個 business 嘅 department 咧賣俾個 Q2，咁佢本人咧，即係個 Q1 個其中一個老細咧，佢本人就係100% 嘅 shareholder 同埋 director 嚟嘅，咁咧佢呢個 Q2 就會一個 daily 嘅 operation 啊，key business decision making 啊，就喺香港，跟住完咗之後咧。呢一個 department 嘅所有 engineers 咧，就會喺香港嗰度做呢一個 product testing 嘅 service 嘅，即係入咗 Q2 之後，跟住其他呢啲其他非咩準備性嘅 business activities 就呢個字係，即係一啲準備性嘅 ancillary 嘅 business activities，即係例如一啲 meeting 啊、training 啊。supplies 啊，就會喺 online meeting 去做嘅。咁 Q2 咧就唔會有，即係唔會攞 BR 啦，跟住仲佢個 bank account 咧喺新加坡嘅喎，然後就係用嚟收啲 surface revenue 咁樣樣嘅。咁個 bank account 咧雖然係新加坡嘅 account，但係會 Jerry 咧就喺香港嗰度 operate 佢嘅。咁第二個就係個 administrative department 個 relocation，佢就想將佢搬去個成本低啲嘅 location，就把佢搬去佛山。咁咧呢個就係 relocate 之前喺香港嘅嗰一啲cost 同 expense，呢個就係搬咗去佛山之後嗰個 expense。咁呢個就係佢中間慳咗，即係慳咗幾多啦。咁之後就完咯，佢呢個 case 好短咯。好似 text 都比較短少少，咁就睇第一題先啦。咁第一題咧就話要講嗰個 withholding 嘅嘢啊嘛，我刪除先 tax withholding 嘅嘢啦。咁就係講翻個 royalty fee 啦。咁首先咧，呢個係因為係 non-resident 嘅，咁所以我哋就要喺翻 DTA 嗰度。咁 DTA 咧。就有講關於即係有一個專講 reporting obligations 嘅嘢嚟嘅，咁即係因為 DTA 佢有少少散嘅，一個就係 list 晒所有 articles 嘅喺個 tax planning 嗰度嗰啲 DTA 個 part 啦，跟住第二個就係一啲喺 profit tax 會 high 到嘅一啲嘢，佢就主要寫個 PE 同埋其他一啲關於 foreign 嘅公司嘅 issues 就會喺度嘅，咁所以可以兩個都睇一睇。呢個就係嗰啲咩 foreign issues，仲有嘅唔知呢個嘅，不過呢個就係我哋今題會關事嘅，佢都係喺 profit tax 嗰度，係啦。咁咧，首先佢而家就係話。Q1 身為一間香港公司，即係香港公司俾 royalty fee 一間外國公司，咁身為香港公司，佢有啲咩 withholding 嘅責任要幫嗰個呢條友做咧？咁就係 withholding 就係佢俾呢一筆錢嘅時候就會扣翻少少，就留翻用嚟俾呢個香港嘅 tax，即係幫佢 hold 住筆錢，去幫佢交稅，去幫呢個外國公司交稅。咁呢個就係身為一個香港 payer 嘅責任嚟嘅。 咁喺呢一度講嘅就係佢如果有一個withholding obligations on 一個 residence 即係香港咧，paying to non-residents 咧就 include 即係當佢係俾緊一啲同呢一個有關嘅錢嘅話，咁我哋呢個 case 就係 royalty fee 啦。同呢一啲有關嘅錢嘅話咧，就會有一個 withholding obligations 喺度嘅。然之後呢啲就係講佢點樣計呢一啲嘢嘅。咁我哋要點知道呢個 royalty fee 係咪有一個 obligation？因為佢而家係問緊一個 obligation，咁所以咧，我哋要點知咧，就要睇翻佢係咪依家香港呢，即係呢個 Q1 係咪有一個 obligation 啊？咁我哋就 refer 翻去呢一啲 section。咁呢一啲 section 咧，其實就係一個 deeming sections。咁 deeming sections 嘅意思咧，就係 under 呢一個 section 嘅嘢咧，都會 deem to be 一啲 taxable 或者 deem to be not taxable，即係當係 taxable 或者當係唔 taxable。咁你當佢其實就係講緊邊一啲，即係有啲乜嘢係 taxable，有啲咩係唔 taxable 咁就得。但係呢一個 section 通常都係關於一啲比較特別嘅 item 啊，或者一啲特別嘅 for foreigners 啊咁樣嗰一啲嘢嚟㗎咯。咁佢呢一度就話，咁佢呢一度就話，for the use 呢一個就係、好似呢兩個都關事嘅 royalties，因為佢係講緊一啲 patent 啊、trademark 啊咁樣嗰一啲嘢嘅。咁就係話 for the use，即係一個心係 for 一個呢一啲 use in Hong Kong。咁呢個就 in outside Hong Kong，但係因為條題目冇講到 Q1，佢會喺香港用定係唔係喺香港用？咁所以我哋答嗰陣就會話啊，因為 Q1 俾嘅呢個 royalty fee 咧，就 either 會係 subject to 呢兩個chargeable 嘅一個 session 嘅。咁所以咧，佢係一個咁樣嘅心啦，咁所以佢就會有一個 withholding obligation 啊，咁樣咯。但我見啲 notes 好似冇再講啦，有關於 withholdings 嘅，可能係我揾唔到。但佢呢度個答案都係話啊，係啊，佢即係就係我頭先講嘅佢 under 呢兩個 section，佢係 deemed to be taxable 嘅，咁所以咧佢就會係 oblig 唔識讀，總之佢哋有個 obligation 去 withhold 呢一個 profit tax 啦。咁嗰個 accessible profits 咧就係呢個。就係就係呢個呢個，就係講緊呢一粒 C 嘅30%，因為咧佢點樣計咧？呢個就係佢有講緊一個即係點樣計翻呢一個 accessible profit 啊嘛。咁對於呢個 K Limited 嚟講，呢一個就係佢嘅 profit 啊嘛。咁再乘翻個 tax rate 咧。就係即係乘翻點樣計嗰個 accessible profit 個 rate 咧，就係要睇100%定30%，即係佢 K Limited 呢一粒錢乘30%定100%先至係一個 chargeable to tax 嘅 profit，就係要喺度睇個 rate 啦。咁點樣計咧？呢個100%咧係 for 一個 payment 或者 receipt from associate 嘅，但頭先個 case 度有講佢哋係 unrelated 噶嘛，咁所以佢哋就係30%咯。咁所以呢個最簡單就係首先佢係咪一個即係講緊一個 withholding 嘅 obligation，同埋點樣計佢嗰個 withholding 嗰個即係嗰個 amount。咁呢個就首先係嗰兩個啦。咁 yes 啦，咁呢個 pay to associate no 啦，咁所以就30%咯，就是這樣。係啦，跟住到一 B 咧，佢就係問咁喺如果佢如果 Q1 咧，如果呢個 Q1 咧 要 determine K limit 係咪可以 enjoy 一個 reduce 嘅 tax rate 嘅話咧，佢有啲咩 procedures 同埋 documents 要去睇同埋做嘅。咁個 notes 其實冇寫到啲乜嘢 procedures 同 documents，但係佢就係俾咗個步驟你去諗咯。就係呢一個就係如果即係只限係一個 treaty benefits 嘅嘢嚟嘅，咁佢就係去講咧，如果即係有一啲咩 factors 去係呢啲全部都係 unfavourable，即係唔對攞呢一個 benefit 唔好嘅 factors 嚟嘅，但係佢就要去根據呢啲 factors 去 assess 佢係咪可以 enjoy 到一個 treaty benefits。咁咩叫 treaty benefits 就係好似啱啱嗰啲話咩 reduced 嘅 tax rate 啊，但係都要係 under 呢啲 DTA 嘅 treaties 嘅。咁就係 reduce 嘅 tax rate 啦，跟住點樣點樣啦，咁就去根據呢一啲 factors 去再 analyse。咁就係咁咯，佢除咗呢個之外都冇乜點特別講。咁佢個答案點寫咧？就係話首先佢 first step 啦，就好似呢個咁嘅 first step 就係話佢係咪喺 within 嗰個 third country 佢係有一個 obligation 去俾 tax of 佢個 income 㗎咁樣樣。咁首先咁所以佢就話佢要即係呢個 K limit 要睇下 demonstrate 佢係咪一個係 country X 即係佢自己嗰個 company。係一個 tax resident 咁樣咯，咁然之後咧就講嗰個即係講啲 relevant 嘅嘢啦。咁如果係 royalty 嘅話，佢就話要有 existence of 一啲agreement 啊咁樣樣嘅。咁佢呢度咧就個 existence of agreement 就應該係講緊個要你寫嗰個 information and documents 啊。佢呢一度咧。就冇特別點講，但係咧，如果我係到時答，咁我手上面得呢啲料，咁就冇計啦。咁我唯有咁樣答啦，即係唯有跟住呢一啲 notes 嚟答。因為我同你講呢個答案，你到時寫唔出咁都冇用嘅。跟住佢另外仲有話，佢個 document 咧，又係 for tax filing 同埋 tax relief 嘅。咁呢一個咧。就係啲 tax admin 嘅嘢嚟嘅，咁我就唔覺得 tax admin 佢會咁樣考，但係去到時你都可以參考翻呢啲答案咯。就係、如果佢要有一個 tax，即係佢要 claim tax relief 啊，佢要做一啲 tax filing，佢就要 keep 翻，即係呢啲都 common sense 嚟嘅，就係要 keep 翻佢啲單啊、payment record 啊，跟住之前嗰一啲 tax return 啊，跟住。誒嗰一啲，因為佢哋而家有 withholding agent 嘅問題嘛，咁所以佢就要 keep 翻 IRD 俾佢嗰啲關於呢啲 agent 嘅 documents 啊，跟住呢個係咯 check copy 啊，即係除咗單啊，仲有呢啲 payment receipt 啊，tax payment receipt from IRD 啊，咁樣樣呢一啲答案就係咁咯，5分，所以係咯，咁就跟住呢啲 factors 寫啦。咁我仲有想講呢個，我覺得你到時見到會唔知乜嚟嘅喺度揾，但係呢個其實係純粹係 DTA 個框架嘅 source，所以其實佢就係 DTA，咁所以唔使見到呢個名就覺得佢好恐怖，跟住喺度揾冇見過咁樣樣，因為就係 DTA 嚟嘅。咁點樣會估到？即係就算唔知都好，點樣會估到咧？就係佢由頭到尾講嘅嘢，其實都係 DTA。咁橫掂係咁嘅話，即係啲 notes 都係喺呢度揾嘅啫。咁就喺度揾咯，就係咁啦。跟住咧，呢個 Q2 就係講佢嗰個 business 嗰個 initiative，如果 executed 咗嘅話咧，佢嗰啲 taxation of 佢賣咗走咗呢一嚿嘢之後，嗰個 gain 要點樣做？咁因為係 profit tax 啊嘛，咁做所有 profit tax 嘅題目之前，我覺得可以咧去佢嗰個 content page 嗰度揾， 因為佢個 content page 即係佢話係 content page，但係其實係第一頁咯。佢第一頁其實就係佢成個 chapter 同埋成個答 profit text 需要嘅思路。咁佢個思路咧，其實就係首先呢個係佢個 scope of charge 啦，即係佢 define 咗乜嘢係，即係成個 chargeable 嘅 profit text 嘅 definition 咧，就係咁樣啦。佢再拆咗落嚟。咁成個咧就叫做 taxability on income on 嗰啲 profits。咁佢呢一個咧，其實就係拆咗四個 condition 啦。第一個就係嗰條友咧一定要係 carry on a trade profession or business，跟住係 in Hong Kong 噶嘛。跟住好啦，satisfy 咗啦，佢喺 Hong Kong 有一個 trade profession 或者 business。咁佢賺嗰啲錢咧，究竟係咪 from 佢呢一個 trade 啦、profession or business in Hong Kong 嘅咧？咁首先佢啲 profits 要係 from 呢一個嘢噶啦，咁呢個其實正常都會係嘅。咁所以你見佢都冇特別碌事。跟住之後咧，佢除咗係要 from 呢個嘢之外咧，佢仲要呢啲 profits 咧，仲要係 from Hong Kong 嘅。即係你雖然你喺香港有咁樣樣嘅業務啫，但係你嗰啲錢可以無啦啦可以可能係喺其他國家嗰度嗰啲人度賺嚟嘅，或者點樣嘅，咁又要 define 一餐噶啦嘛。咁呢個就係要喺度 define 嗰啲錢究竟係咪 derived from Hong Kong。跟住最尾咧就係、除咗即係好啦，佢呢一嚿錢係 from 呢個 business from Hong Kong 嘅，但係如果佢呢一部分嘅 佢呢一部分嘅 profits 咧有呢一啲嘢嘅話咧，佢就會 exclude。咁佢 exclude 啲咩咧？就係、from 一個 sale of capital assets 嘅，即係如果佢呢一啲 profit 就算係喺香港，就算係 from 佢個 trade 啊 profession or business，但係如果佢個 nature 係一個 sale of capital assets 嘅話咧，咁佢呢個 profits 呢一嚿呢個 portion 就唔使俾人 charge 嘅。就咁樣拆咗成個思路出嚟，咁所以我覺得答任何 profit tax 嘅答嘅題目之前都可以拎出嚟去睇下究竟佢呢一題係問緊你邊一題。佢呢一題咧咪話佢賣走咗佢嗰個 engineering department，咁就問賣走咗呢嚿嘢之後個錢點樣計啊嘛，即係點計稅啊嘛。咁佢其實佢成個 focus 佢有幾多分？佢得5分，咁佢冇可能要你答晒所有嘢。咁佢個 focus 就又唔係問你佢係咪喺香港度有業務啊，係咪有一個 trade 啊，有啲 profit 係咪喺香港啊？佢都唔係問你呢啲嘢，其實即係你見佢成條題目冇提過係咪 in Hong Kong，跟住佢呢一度嗰啲嘢都冇提過，即係佢都冇提過。呢啲 即係呢嚿錢係咪 from Hong Kong？即係除咗係思路之後，你都要睇下佢個 case 俾咗啲咩料你。咁佢呢度最主要其實就係問佢呢一個賣走咗嘅呢一嚿嘢，究竟係 capital in nature 啊，定係 revenue in nature 咯？咁所以咧，前面呢一辣就可以，即係都可以求其引一引呢個嚟講嘅。佢有冇講咧？佢個答案？係咯，佢都有引導嘅，但係佢就直接引咗話去 exempt 佢呢一啲 capital assets 嘅 sales 咯。但係我穩陣都會講一句呢個，即係我會成句 quote，但係佢個就佢答案就淨係 quote 咗呢句，但係我覺得成句 quote 穩陣啲咯。咁你唔會 quote 錯啊嘛。跟住咧，佢就答你呢個誒 capital 或者 circulation capital，即係呢個 revenue，呢個係 capital nature。咁咩叫 capital nature 咧？就係我用嚟賺錢嘅嘢，跟住 revenue 就係我賣呢樣嘢就係用嚟賺錢嘅，即係我個 business 係我 regular 用嚟買賣嘅一個存貨咁樣嗰啲 trading stocks 咧，就係 revenue in nature。但係例如我用嚟製造，即係用喺我嘅業務入面製造一啲 profit 嘅嘢，而我唔係即係我而我唔係賣走呢一嚿嘢， 即係而我嘅 profit 唔係 from 賣走我呢一嚿嘢嘅話咧，咁呢一嚿嘢就係 capital in nature 啊嘛。咁啱啱佢個 case 就提佢呢個佢賣嘅呢一個 engineering department 咧，佢係做一啲 core 嘅 technical service，咁佢啲 revenue 係 from 佢呢個 core 嘅 technical service 嘅。咁所以就係 service fee，咁佢亦都呢一個 department 你好明顯佢唔係一個存貨用嚟買賣啦，咁所以其實個答案係好明顯嘅，但係就睇你點樣解釋啫。咁你點樣解釋咧？其實你第一最簡單好啦，我而家知道佢問乜啦，佢問乜就係佢問緊呢一個嘢嘛。咁我點知佢問乜就係我啱啱講嘅思路，就係睇佢個 case 俾咗啲乜嘢，跟住睇佢條問題嗰啲字眼。咁樣咯，咁我就知道佢個 focus 唔喺呢度啦，咁我就要講呢個。咁首先我就要 quote 咗佢呢一啲嘢先咯，跟住再擺個 case 入嚟，再擺個 case 又係話佢呢個係總之 revenue 係 from 佢呢個 core service，咁 which 佢呢個 department 就係 provide 緊呢個 core service，咁呢個就係佢個 case facts 啊嘛，咁再結合翻你啱 quote 嗰啲，你個 conclusion 就係，咁所以咧。呢個佢賣嘅呢個 department 咧，就唔係一個 trading stocks，而係一個from 一個佢 keep 咗佢，然後用嚟 make profit 嘅一嚿嘢，即係 use in production 嘅嘢。咁所以咧，佢就係 capital in nature，咁所以就 not taxable 咁樣咯。係啦，咁首先咧。佢呢個就係一樣啦，就話佢呢個係 core profit generating 嘅 department 啦，跟住就話佢 no reason 係一個 recurring basis，即係佢 no reason 係一個 recurring 會一路買賣呢一件嘢當係存貨咁買賣嘅一個樣嘢嚟嘅，呢個一個 department 冇可能係 recurring 啦，跟住冇可能係 actively creating，即係佢呢個，即係佢唔係買賣呢啲 department 嚟 make profit 個咯。佢個意思就係，即係呢個就係佢嘅一啲 elab 啫。但係我覺得即係唔使用佢呢啲字眼嘅，即係總之你成個中心意思就係佢唔係一個 trading stock。咁所以咧就係咁樣咯，就係佢係一個 capital assets，咁就搞掂呢5分咯。然後呢個2B，佢就講到明要你 analyse Q2，佢係咪 carrying on a business in Hong Kong？佢啲 profits 係咪 subject to Hong Kong profits tax？咁 carrying on a business in Hong Kong 咧，喺屋市咧就係呢度啊嘛。咁呢句咧就立咗呢度咯。咁所以我哋就要睇佢係咪 in Hong Kong 咯。即係佢都有機會係咪 carrying on a business 嘅，但係咧，就睇個 case 嘅料，睇佢俾啲咩我哋啦，同埋睇個 notes 啦。咁之後佢仲話要睇下佢啲 profits 係咪 subject to Hong Kong profits tax，咁所以就要即係搞掂咗呢個，咁即係其實好明顯應該 suppose 係咁樣噶啦，因為佢仲要你答呢個嘛。係咪 chargeable to Hong Kong profits tax 咧？咁就係講睇下佢個 profits 個類型係啲乜嘢，跟住再睇下佢係咪誒 direct 係咪一個 Hong Kong source 嘅 profits 咯。咁成個框就係咁啦。好啦，我哋而家睇個 case 咧，佢就話呢個 Q2 就係啱啱嗰啲乜鬼準備性嘅 activities 啊，跟 product testing activities 喺香港搞啊，跟住佢啲 bank account 啊。咁樣，咁你有印象咧？其實首先佢上面呢一啲嘢咧，即係唔理佢個 bank account，佢上面呢一啲activities 嘅嘢咧，就係呢佢跌就係講緊呢一嚿，就係講緊香港 central management 係咪香港嘅嘢咯？因為佢係即係你唔知佢即係佢冇講到明佢間公司係乜嘢地方嚟咯。 佢純粹話佢啲 activities 喺香港，佢有講佢係 BVI，佢係一個 BVI 嘅公司，咁所以你就要決定佢係咪有一個即係可能 PE 嘅形式，或者點樣係喺香港都有 business。咁佢條題目問你，佢係咪 carrying on a business？咁呢一度即係除咗呢一個之外咧，呢一個我哋都要睇下佢係咪想問我哋。咁我哋點知咧？就睇佢個 notes 點樣 define 佢係咪 carrying on a business，跟住睇下佢有冇俾料我哋。跟住你見佢其實就好短咯，寫得就係話講緊有啲乜嘢 business 為之一個 business。咁佢個 case 其實都冇講。同埋其實都冇嘢好分析，咁所以呢個就唔講，我哋直接講呢個。咁喺呢度就話要睇佢啲 board meetings 啊，睇佢啲 bank accounts 啊，睇佢啲 records 啊，係咪喺香港嗰度嘅？咁你見佢其實成個 case 都冇講過 Q2 會 through 啲咩 agent，咁所以就可以唔使理下面呢一個，咁就直接講係呢個。咁所以我哋要點樣 determine 佢係咪 in Hong Kong 咧？就要睇佢係咪有 central management and control，就睇佢呢啲 factors 啦。咁佢而家咧就話佢最主要嘅決定咧，就唔理佢有冇申請 BR，佢咧就睇佢嘅一啲activities，profit generating 嘅 activities 係咪喺香港，同埋睇佢嗰啲 bank account。同即係 bank account 點樣 operate，就即係睇佢啲 activities 點樣係去管理個地方喺邊度。咁佢而家咧呢度就話要睇呢一啲啊嘛。咁所以根據佢個 case 講嘅嘢，就係啲 activities 會喺香港啦，然之後咧佢個 bank account 會 operate in Hong Kong 啦。咁所以咧佢就係 carrying on a business in Hong Kong 咯。但係我覺得其實佢個 case 唔係好俾得好夠料，咁所以你見佢都有戴頭盔，就係話 based on the facts 咧，冇其他 meaningful 嘅 business activities 係 outside Hong Kong，咁佢都有講呢一句。我覺得你唔 sure 你都可以講一句話，就係 based on the case facts 就揾唔到有其他，即係你唔好確定，你唔好淨係正面地確定佢，你仲可以否定佢個否定。即係我睇唔到有任何嘢話佢唔係咁樣咯，即係戴下頭盔咁樣咯。咁所以佢所有最主要嘅 activities 都係喺香港嗰度嘅，咁所以咧佢就係 carrying on a business in Hong Kong 啦。咁跟住我哋就落嚟呢一度。因為佢係 product testing service 啊嘛，咁即係 service fees 啦。咁我哋要睇好啦，佢而家香港有 business，咁佢呢一個 product testing 嘅 service 咧，佢話佢嗰啲 engineers 會喺香港嗰度做呢一個 product testing service 啊嘛。咁我哋就要睇佢係咪即係會令到佢喺香港係 derive 呢一個 profit。咁佢而家咧，我哋點樣答咧？通常就係首先我哋會 quote 咗呢個 general rule，即係呢一個係講佢個 profit source 喺香港定外國嘅。咁呢個 source of profit 咧，首先要 quote 咗個 general rule 就係話啊，我哋通常咧都會睇嗰個 taxpayer 做咗 what 同埋 where has done it。咁呢個就我哋要睇嘅嘢啦。即係你呢度俾唔到一個 conclusion 嘅，即係純粹要講一句 heads up，啲人就係話啊，我哋嚟緊會睇呢一啲，咁 for 呢一啲 specific 嘅profit type 咧，咁我哋就要睇啲乜嘢咧？就係咁樣，即係呢個一個 intro 嚟嘅。咁我哋有 what and where 要睇咧，咁 for service fee 我哋嘅 what 咧就係要睇佢嗰個 service 係啲乜嘢啦。咁 where 咧就係我哋個 service 喺 where 度 perform 咗啦。咁呢個就係佢相對嘅 what and where 咯。咁所以呢個 service fee 咧。 佢係要睇佢個 service 喺邊度 perform 咗啊嘛，然後佢決定佢係香港定係 outside Hong Kong 啊嘛。咁佢呢個好明顯就 in Hong Kong 度做啦。咁所以咧，佢呢個 income generating activity 係喺香港嘅，咁所以佢都係 Hong Kong source 嘅，就係咁咯，好簡單呢個。你只要知道佢其實你答咩個 structure 就得，但係其實想知答咩就係要睇佢 case text 俾咩你，再 match 翻落啲屋市嗰度。但係最重要都係睇清楚題目。